Thank you for joining Wars of the Roses as we continue with part 24, Ritual of the Origin of Freemasonry and Knights Templar by John Bennett. Ritual, the mode of opening and closing a lodge, of conferring the degrees, of installation and other duties, constitutes a system of ceremonies which are called the ritual. Much of this ritual is esoteric and, not being permitted to be committed to writing, is communicated only by oral instruction. In each Masonic jurisdiction, it is required by the superintending authority that the ritual shall be the same, but it differs more or less in the different rites and jurisdictions. This, however, does not affect the universality of Masonry. The ritual is only the external and extrinsic form. The doctrine of Freemasonry is everywhere the same, but while the ceremonies, or ritual, have varied at different periods and still vary in different countries, the science and philosophy, the symbolism and the religion of Freemasonry continue and will continue to be the same wherever true Masonry is practiced. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Roses. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.